Hello, I am Sandy. Welcome to the YouTube channel Make Money Easy. I am an affiliate marketer and I help people to grow their businesses. Today in this video I am going to give a ClickFunnels in-depth honest review. I hope this video will help you to grow your business and collect more leads. Before starting our video, I request you to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Let's start our video. ClickFunnels is a built-in system that gives many options to assist individuals to construct webinars, landing pages, gross sales pages, arrange billing pages, and extra. As a gross sales web page and landing web page designer and editor, it has an extended listing of web page templates and funnels templates. If individuals need to arrange a landing web page for webinar registration, ClickFunnels affords several completely different pages to make sure success. The webinar template has a landing web page, thanks to the web page, stay webinar web page, webinar replay web page, and a gross sales web page. This is only one instance of the thoroughness of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels makes it simple for individuals to take a terrific concept, a brand new product they need to promote, or a dream enterprise and switch it right into a well-designed gross sales funnel that may convert your website guests into clients. Instead of getting to spend intensive intervals of time, like days, weeks, or months, making an attempt to design your web page or spending some huge cash hiring an internet site developer, ClickFunnels helps make the event course of reasonably priced and easy to create and implement. Now you will know what is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a service that was developed over 5 years in the past by Russell Brunson and the workforce he works with. It was one of many first landing web page builders to return out with simple drag and drop options that made it easy for individuals to make gross sales funnels rapidly. Before ClickFunnels, individuals used software programs like Leadpages or needed to design gross sales pages themselves with HTML. Yes, there was a time when each gross sales web page on the web seemed like this. Notice the seaside within the background, or what concerning the fake hand-drawn arrows pointing down. This was a killer gross sales web page at one level. Now we will look at what does ClickFunnels do. ClickFunnels means that you can create landing pages, gross sales funnels, upsells and downsells, and create membership websites very simply. ClickFunnels additionally integrates with PayPal, Stripe, and lots of different forms of cost processors. This has made it a go-to service for online entrepreneurs as a result of its simple to just accept funds online. Say for instance you're a well-being and wellness coach and also you do on-one consulting and provide a web-based course. With ClickFunnels you'll be able to ship site visitors to your landing, aka gross sales, web page and get individuals to opt in your email listing. Once they've accomplished that, they've given the choice to purchase your course or get a free e-book. If they purchase the course, they're then given an extra web page to get one-on-one teaching from you. All of this may be accomplished straight on properly on ClickFunnels without having an internet site or paying for any extra software program. ClickFunnels additionally permits comes with it is a personal analytics software program, the place you'll be able to see how profitable your gross sales web page is. It additionally means that you can B take a look at your gross sales pages very simply, so you'll be able to optimize your pages for probably the grossest sales or leads. Now we will know what is a sales funnel. Before essentially beginning to get into this evaluation, you will need to perceive the significance of gross sales funnels and its performance in producing most revenue. The entire level of making a gross sales funnel is to get a possible client email. Think of getting an email like getting a latest cell phone quantity. It is probably the most step in beginning a fruitful relationship. But similar to getting a lady's quantity doesn't imply you'll seal the deal, getting somebody's email doesn't imply you'll make a sale, nevertheless it does improve your probabilities. The sooner you get the email, the faster you'll be able to start beginning a relationship with the potential buyer and pre-sell them in your services or products. Like film or ebook, you need to create an emotional connection together with your viewers and construct it as much as a crescendo. That's key in creating the gold commonplace of enterprise forex, belief. Once you might have gained the customer's belief, it's far simpler for them to make a purchase order determination. From there, the gross sales funnel methodology would require you to ship the client to a gross sales web page. The gross sales web page has to be a standout web page, one which has been specifically designed and formatted in such a method so that folks merely cannot wait to half with their cash for a purchase order. Most of the time, the gross sales web page will comprise of a catchy headline, accompanied by related movies or photos, in addition to bullet factors that present a fast but informative reference on how the acquisition would profit one's life. All of those will work in tandem to maintain your customer excited and hopefully make a purchase order. Once your buyer has entered their bank card and made the acquisition, that is the most effective time to proceed with the journey of this good, fuzzy feeling that they've, and provide them a particular single or extra one-time offers, and different kinds of upsells and downsells. Let's say your organization is seeing a conversion fee of 10% for every person who visits your gross sales funnel. Now let's imagine that merchandise is priced $10 a pop, netting you an internet revenue of $5. So for every 100 guests, you'll common 10 gross sales, and get $50 revenue. But what would occur in case you have been capable of upsell 30% of your clients, as they resolve to splurge on a $10 for extra merchandise, whereas one other 10% will join an annual bundle of $500? Your thoughts are perhaps blown after crunching the numbers. Now for every 100 guests who go to your gross sales funnel, you'll promote 10 objects, a trio of extra objects, and a single annual bundle. This leads to a revenue of $600, which interprets to a whopping 1,200% improvement in revenue. Now the elevated revenue margins will permit you the required leverage to outspend your small business rivals in essential areas equivalent to ads that may additionally improve the variety of potential clients who will stroll proper into my gross sales funnel. With so many several types of gross sales funnels out there, you will need to give you one which has been tailored for your enterprise mannequin. While that was troublesome and difficult, it's a lot simpler to implement with ClickFunnels. How does ClickFunnels work to get more leads and sales for your businesses? With ClickFunnels, several qualities put it a step above the remainder. Let's break them down one after the other. Of course, let's start with crucial factor. ClickFunnels simply works, and it does what it says it's going to do. It builds full gross sales funnels for customers, permitting them to drive each leads and consumers alike to those gross sales funnels after they've been arranged. Also, it permits customers to course of funds, affords a versatile web page builder to create custom-made construct pages, permits for downsells and upsells, options an autoresponder and affiliate administration instrument, and a lot extra. Also, ClickFunnels means that you can arrange your funnel pages in a short time and simply. Also, ClickFunnels additionally has the choice of a built-in email advertising and marketing software program. This means that you can seamlessly synchronize your gross sales pages together with your email. Observe up and do away with email software programs like Aweber and MailChimp. With automation like this, you may also unlock extra of your time to deal with extra essential issues, like rising your small business. ClickFunnels means that you can do A/B testing for each of your pages inside your funnel. Also, you'll be able to create membership websites utilizing ClickFunnels. After your leads have signed up, they are going to be capable to achieve entry to make use of unique membership parts of the service that you've got created and keep. Not solely that, however, ClickFunnels additionally options integrations with PayPal and Stripe. With this, you'll be able to settle for the cost for the companies, membership websites, or merchandise that you simply present to your clients and purchasers. What does all this mean? You can construct a whole enterprise on ClickFunnels. You don't have to have a separate website and pay for internet hosting, as a result of that's all included in ClickFunnels. You also can get pleasure from options that let you handle, recruit, and pay your associates. And, after all, you should have entry to all of the analytics and metrics essential to evaluation your funnel efficiency, campaigns, gross sales, and conversions, along with A/B testing outcomes. The most important objective of ClickFunnels is leveraging the software program to maximize the spending of every buyer who engages in your product or companies and remodeling them into attainable large spenders. What do I like? ClickFunnels comes inventory with a complete database of fantastically pre-made templates. They are simple to make use of and take simply minutes to arrange. ClickFunnels additionally has a market-the-place you should buy and promote free or paid templates. But don't fear, as a result of shopping for templates isn't essential for most individuals, there's a large number of templates that come inbuilt without spending a dime. Easy to use visual drag and drop editor. Anyone who has used landing web page software program earlier then will recognize ClickFunnels' simple drag and drop editor. Gone are the times of constructing minor tweaks and continuously relaunching the gross sales web page to verify the modifications look the best way you need them to look. With the ClickFunnels editor, any modifications you make will look precisely the identical if you launch the web page. This will critically prevent a lot of time and numerous frustrations. Elements, in any other case often known as widgets, are the cogs within the gross sales funnel that permits you to personalize your gross sales web page. This is one other highly effective function that places ClickFunnels in a class by itself. As a result of it comes inventory with many highly effective widgets that different landing web page mushy presently doesn't. Things equivalent to SMS sign-up, surveys, pricing tables, progress bars, Facebook comments, FAQ blocks and countdown timers, and custom HTML can actually assist with conversions, and finally imply more cash in your pocket. Now we will look at how much does ClickFunnels cost you for months. The most reasonably priced ClickFunnels plan will price $97 every month. For barely lower than a Benjamin, you'll be able to enter everything of funnel creation instruments, though the bounds that I talked about earlier, creation of 20 funnels, 100 pages, and 20,000 guests, will probably be in place. For the hottest offers for ClickFunnels, try this ClickFunnels pricing web page. Although I have an understanding of Actionetics, a built-in email service supplier, I've no used it personally. It is an addition to Backpack, an associate's program creator. If you have been to decide on each option, then you would need to fork out $297 every month for the Edison Suite plan. This is the plan that gives the entire bells and whistles, and most significantly, limitless funnels, pages, and guests. It doesn't appear as if there are any ClickFunnels coupon codes out there on the market to take a smaller hit to your pockets. However, choosing an annual cost will get you a 16% ClickFunnels low cost. Whipping out my calculator, I spotted it amounted to paying for simply 10 months, whereas the remaining 2 months are free. ClickFunnels might be tried out danger-free if you sign up for a free trial. I simply found a deal that may let you check out ClickFunnels for a 30-day free trial, so if you wish to check out ClickFunnels, this can be the proper time as a result of its a restricted time provide. Final thoughts about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the #1 platform that gives immense worth to its members. From the straightforward to construct funnels which might be fully automated to the power to carry out conversion monitoring and split testing to assist enhance outcomes, ClickFunnels affords a lot to its customers. One of the most effective options of ClickFunnels is that they provide a 14-day free trial for individuals to start the method of studying concerning the platform and implementing it into their enterprise. Check the description for your 14 days free ClickFunnels trial, and if you like the program you will continue with that. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.